Excel has an extensive help resource. If you simply point to a button, you can see a brief description, and also we see the shortcut keys. Sometimes we see a choice called Tell Me More. If you click it, help screen will appear and we'll see the related information. We may see longer explanation like this one, the flash fill also here, and this will help us to know more about the tool. Here is also a tell me what you want do. We can type anything here. This type filter, can get detailed resources and information about filter from this get help on the filter. If you click it, you can get the help resource here. It's very detailed. Actually, it needs internet connection. So we can press F1 for fast help searching, and we can also smart lookup on Sparkline. So there are many resources in the Excel menus help system.